Using transpose function, you can convert the column data into row and vice versa, the row data into column. In this case, to convert the data of column number A, that is A2 to A5 in a row, type equals to, then transpose, enter a bracket, select the range, close the bracket, and press enter. That's done. The column data will be converted into row. In the same way, if you want to convert the row data into column, that is, if you want to convert the data from A2 to B2 into column, then press equal to, then write transpose, then a bracket, select the range, close the bracket, press enter. That's done. The data of row will be converted into column.